Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in this particular session, we shall start with the exercise number 8.1. Already in the previous class, we were discussing about the chapter that is application to integrals. In this application to integrals, in the previous class we had learnt about the basics as well as one simple basic example related to this particular application to integrals. Now, in the basic what we had learnt, given any equation, we can draw the curve of that particular function that we had seen in the basics. And then afterwards, while with the application to integrals, that is area under the curve, under the simple curve we had learnt, both with respect to x-axis as well as with respect to y-axis. Now, today we shall learn about the exercise number 8.1. Now, here let us move on with the first problem. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve, that is y square equal to x, and the line x equal to 1, x equal to 4, and the x axis in the first quadrant, and the x axis in the first quadrant. Now, what it is that we shall apply. Okay. Now, here what he has given, that is y square equal to x. What that y square is equal to x means, it is nothing but our equation of the parabola. Y square is equal to x, that is nothing but x axis. Here it is nothing but here y square equal to x, okay, the curve, and the line x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. Now, let us take this point as x equal to 1, x equal to 1, okay, and here it is nothing but here x equal to 4 we shall take, x equal to 4. It is the line x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. Now, what we require to find is, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to x square, the line x equal to 1, okay student, the line x equal to 1, and what it is, and the lines x equal to 1, x equal to 4, and the first quadrant x axis. This is our x axis, and only in what it is, only in the first quadrant. That means here, dear students, I require to find this particular region here. Okay, we require to find this particular region, that is area under the curve with respect to x axis. Now, here according to the formula, okay, this let us take it as a origin O, okay, that is our x dash here, it is our y axis. Now, let us take that as a point as A, B, C, D, okay, let us take it as A, B, C, D. Now, what here we require to find is, here we require to find that is area of A, B, C, D, find that is area of A, B, C, D. We require to find area of A, B, C, D, which is equal to what we have, that is nothing but here area of integral from, that is nothing but x equal to 2 till where x equal to 4, till where it is, till x equal to 4 here. Then what we with respect to what is y here. Now, what is the equation here? Given y square is equal to x, that implies what will be the value for y, that is nothing but root x. Now, here what I can write is y dx, or you can write f of x dx. Now, here what is the value here? 2 to 4, x equal to 2 to 4, y means what it is, root x dx according to the formula. Now, directly I can integrate it. So, now what is the integration of root x andre enagate nodri, x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 between the limit what it is, that is 2 to 4. Now, here you substitute the upper limit minus of lower limit, that is 2 by 3, that is x to the power of 3 by 2, okay, 3 by 2 divided by between the limits, that is 2 to 4, which is equal to, now what we can write here, that is 2 by 3. Now, here that is upper limit value is 4 to the power of 3 by 2 minus of lower limit value is 2 to the power of 3 by 2. Okay. Now, here the value will be, that is 2 by 3, here the 4 into root 3 by 2, that is nothing but here 4 root 4, okay, that I can write 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus of 2 root 2 here. So, ultimately what I can write is 4 into 2, that is nothing but here 8, 2 by 3, okay, dear student, 2 by 3, 8 minus 2 root 3, 2 root 2 here. So, at last if I take 2 common outside, that is nothing but here 4 by 3, okay, 4 by 3, here 2, that is nothing but 4 here, 2 here, that is nothing but here 4 here, 4 minus root 2, square units. That is nothing but here required result. Okay, dear students, it is nothing but our very simple example here. Now here that is nothing but our first problem. Now let us move on with the second problem. What here he has given in the second problem is find the area of the region bounded by x square equal to 4y. What we have, x square equal to 4y, and the lines x equal to 2, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and the y axis in the first quadrant, and what it is, and y axis in the first quadrant, y and then y dash. Now what we have here, that we shall observe. Now here what is the curve? Find the area of the region bounded by the curve x square equal to what we have, that is 4y. It is our line x square equal to 4y, x square equal to 4y, x square equal to 4y. Now here what we have is, and the lines y equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. This is y is equal to 2, and let us take this line as y is equal to 4 here, y is equal to 4. Now what is this particular curve? That is nothing but here x square equal to 4y. Now here what we require to find is the area of the region bounded by the x square is equal to 4y, and the lines y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and y axis, okay, and the y axis only in which quadrant? That is first quadrant. That means here, dear students, I require to find only this particular area here, okay. Here I require to find only this particular area value. So now what we get here, let us name it as A, B, C and then D. Okay, now we require to find area of that is A, B, C, D, which is equal to, okay, area of A, B, C, D, which is equal to what I can write is integral from y is equal to what we have, y is equal to 2 to y is equal to 4, y is equal to 4. Next what it is, that is nothing but with respect to y axis means I have to write here dx, and if it is with respect to x axis means we have to write here dx, and if it is with respect to y axis means here I have to write here dy. That is very simple, dy. Now here what is this? The value is equal to x, that is nothing but here 2 to 4 dy. Now what is the value for x? X square means what is the value? X square equal to 4y, that implies x equal to 2 root y here. That means I can write as 2 root y into dy. It is very simple now, 2 into root y, okay, that is nothing but root y 2 to 4 root y dy. Now we can integrate it with respect to y, that is a 2 into y to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 between the limits 2 to 4. Now that is nothing but here 4 by 3 y to the power of 3 by 2 between the limits 2 to 4 here. Now you can substitute both upper limit minus the lower limit, that is nothing but here 4 by 3, okay, 4 by 3, 4 to the power of 3 by 2 minus of 2 to the power of 3 by 2, 2 to the power of 3 by 2. Now here how to solve it, that is very important, that is 4 by 3, okay, into 4 root 3 means that is 4 into root 4 minus 2 into root 2. If I take here 2 common outside, that is nothing but here 8 by, already it is 4 here, okay dear students, already it is 4 here, that means 4 into 2, that is nothing but 8 by 3, okay dear students, 8 by 3, then we can write here 2 2s are 4 here, 4 minus root 2 square units. That is nothing but here required result. Okay dear students, it is nothing but our very simple example related to our, that is area under the simple curves. Okay dear students, so before going to the next video, please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear students, now let us move on the next problem. This problem in the examination, it may be asked for how many marks? That is 5 marks question it is. Now here what is it? It is nothing but our equation of the ellipse here, and here ellipse, it is nothing but our inclined towards the x axis, and ellipse, it is inclined towards the x axis here. It is nothing but our x axis, y axis, that is nothing but x dash, and that is nothing but here y dash. Now here we have to observe that we have to find out the points here. Now here what is the equation here? Equation of the ellipse is always x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. If a is greater than b, that means the major axis is towards the x axis. If a is less than b, that means the major axis is towards the y axis. One thing. That means here a square we have. That means this distance is nothing but here a here. Or else this particular point will be a comma 0 here. That a value I can determine by a square here. Now what is that a square he has provided is, that is the equation is, that is nothing but x square by 4 square plus y square by 9 equal to 1. 9 means I can write as 3 square. That means here this particular distance will be 4 here, and this particular point will be 4 comma 0, and here I can take x equal to 4, and this particular line will be x equal to 0. I require to find the area of the whole complete area I require to find. If I take it as a point A, B, C, D, okay, that means area of A, B, C, D, that is nothing but here area of, that is nothing but here A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, okay, which is equal to, I can write as 4 into, that is area of OABO. Now here we require to find the area of OABO, which is equal to 4 into integral from x equal to, with respect to what it is, this equation. What is this curve? Let us find out here curve with the x axis, okay, with the x axis and the line x equal to 0 and x equal to 4 here. That means integral is from x equal to 0 to x equal to 4 y dx. That means from this particular equation I require to find the y value. So how we require to find here? That we shall observe here. That means here, can I write it as y square by 9 equal to x1 minus x square by 16. That implies here 16 minus x square divided by 16 here. So what I get here, y is equal to, okay, that is nothing but here 9 by 16 into what we are having is, that is 16 minus x square, and y is there, that means the complete root of it, that is nothing but 3 by 4 into root of 4 square minus x square. Now here I will find out this value, that means in the place of y I will substitute that, which is equal to 4 into integral from 0 to 4, y means what it is, that is 3 by 4 root of 4 square minus x square into dx. 4 square minus x square into dx. I will take out that common here, that means here 3 into integral from 0 to 4 root of 4 square minus x square. Now here I have to integrate it, that is nothing but here 3 into x by 2, what is that a here, x by 2 formula, into root of 4 square minus x square, okay, plus a square by 2, that is nothing but here 4 square by 2 here, a square by 2, sine inverse of x by a, what is the a value here, 4 it is, between the limit what we have 0 to 4 here. Now here I will substitute both upper and lower limit. So what we get, 3 into, okay, 3 into, my dear students, 3 into, now first of all substitute the upper limit. Upper limit means what it is, 4 by 2, 2. Then root of what we get here, 4 minus 4 square minus 4 square, it is 0. Then plus of 4 square means what it is, 16, 16 by 2 means what we get here, 8. 8 into sine inverse of 4 by 4, the value will be 1 here, minus of lower limit is 0 here, 0, 0, sine inverse of 0, 0. That means here 0 plus 0 I will get. Okay. So next what we have here is 3 into, okay, that is 3 into, here this value will be 0, 0 plus 8 into, what we have, sine inverse of one value is pi by 2. Okay. Now here after what we get is 2 ones are 2, 4s are here, 2 ones are 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are, that is 12 pi, that is nothing but here required answer. So therefore our answer will be 12 pi square units. Very, very simple thing. Now here what is the main thing here is, just depending on the curve, which graph I will get, that is very important here. Now let us start with the next problem. The next problem is, find the area bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. We can observe here x square by 2 square plus y square by 3 square equal to 1. Here we can observe that a is less than b. Okay, this particular A is less than B. That means the curve, that is nothing but the ellipse, bounded by what it is? Bounded by the y axis, or symmetric about our, that is y axis. That is nothing but our x axis, y axis, x dash, and nothing but our y dash. Okay, one thing. Next, what we have to solve, how we have to solve, that is this particular distance, that is nothing but a here, and what is the a value? That is 2. Now here this particular line I will take it as x equal to 0, and this particular point will be 2 comma 0, or else I can take it as x equal to 2 here, x equal to 2. Now here I require to find area of all these things, that is a, b, c and d. Okay, I require to find area of a, b, c, d, a. For that purpose, what I will do is I will multiply this particular thing into 4. 4 into this particular. Why? Because this whole ellipse is divided into 4 equal parts along with the coordinate axis. That is nothing but here what we require to find, that is area of, that is a, b, c, d, a equal to 4 into area of OABO, area of OABO. Now here that is nothing but here 4 into, okay, 4 into area of OABO. OABO andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, that is nothing but here integral from x equal to 0 to x equal to 2, that is nothing but here y dx. Now what is this particular y that we require to find? That is by making use of this particular equations. Now what we get here, we know that here y square by 3 equal to, or y square by 9 equal to 1 minus x square by 4, that is nothing but 4 minus x square by 4, or else y square is equal to 9 by 4 into 4 minus x square. That implies what is the y value here? That is the 3 by 2 root of 4 minus x square. That is nothing but our y value. I will substitute that y value here. What we get? It is 4 into 0 to 4, that is nothing but here 3 by 2 root of 4 minus x square into dx. Now here integral is from 0 to 2 here. Now just I will take out common outside and will integrate, that is 6 into integral from 0 to 2 root of 4 minus x square dx, which is equal to 6 into x by a, that is x by 2 into root of 4 minus x square plus a square by 2, that is nothing but here 4 by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. Now what is this x by a? X and a is nothing but here 2, x by 2 between the limit 0 to 2 here, between the limit 0 to 2. Now what happens here? 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4 here. Now just I will substitute the limits, which is equal to 6 into what we have is, substitute the upper limit, that is 2 by 2, that is 1, root of 4 minus 4, that is 0, plus 2 into sine inverse of 2 by 2, that is 1, upper limit substituted, then minus of lower limit. What is the lower limit? That is 0, substitute, 0 means whole thing is 0, plus this whole term will be 0 here. Why? Because sine inverse of 0 value will be 0 here. Now this value is 0, which is equal to 6 into, okay, 0 plus 2 into sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1 value will be pi by 2. Okay, here 2 to get eliminates. What is the required answer? That is 6 pi square units. 6 pi square units. That is nothing but your required result here. Okay, dear students, it is nothing but our very, very simple example related to our, okay, that is area under the simple curve. Okay, dear students, in the next session we shall continue with our problems related to our area under the simple curves. Till that, thank you.